welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my village. So I said village, yes, again, another witchy video. How you doing? Okay, so today I'm gonna I'm gonna show you how I how I cleanse my sacred space, aka my room. Show you guys how I cleanse my room, my sacred space, my room, whatever you want to call it, with sage. Now, first of all, you do not have to clean or cleanse your sacred space with sage. You can clean it with, what is on my lens? What is that? You don't have to clean your space with sage. You can clean it, cleanse it with incense. You can cleanse it through sound, like music. You can cleanse it through no, I'm just kidding. A lot, actually. But what I do, this is just how I do it. Do not bash me if this is not how you do it. This is just what I do. I know, or you could do, yeah, okay. And also you can use like different smudges, like sage is the known one, but you can use lavender, you can use anything and everything. Any kind of herb you like, you can use it. There's like smudge sticks with California white sage, with rose petals, with lavender, all in one. There's all kinds of stuff. All right, all kinds of stuff. And there's different sages, by the way. There's not just white sage, California white sage. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I use. So usually I use California white sage, and this is what a smudge stick looks like. A California smudge stick looks like. Alright, so I love the smell of that. But I'm not going to use this one because I already have one that I've been using. And I'm going to show you all that real quick. Now, the one I have been using is California white sage, but it's dipped in dragon's blood, so it's red. It's red. I've been burning it, obviously. And this was my first time ever using California white sage dipped in dragon's blood, you know, aka red sage. This is the first time I've ever used it, and I really like it. It smells good, but I love the smell of sage in general. Usually, okay, a lot of people do not like the smell of sage. You really have to like the herbal smell. It's really strong, but I love it. I can smell it all the time. But yeah, that's just a little something. And so what I like to do to start off cleaning my space is actually clean my room. Like put the clothes away, put the trash in the trash can. Sometimes I like to make up my bed, but I'm just gonna get right back in it. So, but I kind of like pull the covers over my bed. Usually I vacuum, but I usually get sage on the floor. So I like to put on music, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna put on music. Actually, yes I am. Yes I am, B. And another crucial thing is open your window. I open my window not only because my dad hates the smell, and my sister hates the smell, and my grandma thinks it smells like weed, but when you open your window, you let fresh air in, you let, things circulate and get the bad energy out and bring new energy in. So that's what I do. Now, usually I used to burn the sage sticks just whole like this, but I think I saw on Instagram this witch, or was it YouTube? I forgot, but this witch, she breaks apart her sage. I'm not gonna break apart this one because it's good, but usually I break apart the sage, and usually one leaf will do it because it's really smoky, alright? But I break it apart and I just use that one so your sage lasts longer. And also California white sage is endangered. Is it called endangered? I think it's endangered. That's a species. is the word? I'm gonna use endangered. I feel like there's another word for it, for plants, I think. Anyways, but I already have it. I bought like this in bulk. I had like 2 packages of these, and then when I had my witch boxes coming in, they sent me some more in like different kinds of sage, and I was just burning. But I usually do this when I'm feeling down, or I'm not myself, or I'm not in a good mood, or when I am just like stressed. So this, I call sage my blunt. Okay, like it's like my weed. You know how regular people smoke weed? I don't smoke weed or eat it or whatever the fuck. People usually like smoke weed when they're upset or stressed or just to relax. This is weed for me. Like, this is my weed, but I don't, like, I smoke it, but I don't like smoke it. So yeah, but if you like catch me on my Instagram doing this, girl, it's sage. So I'm not gonna break apart this one like I said, but let me just open my window. My room is relatively clean. It's relatively clean. Okay, brought in some lights, girl. Okay, let me get my speaker. Now, usually when I do this, like I said, I do put on music. If you have sage, I recommend, if you're burning sage, especially if it's loose, you can use like a big seashell, a cauldron. That's what I'm using. Boom, it's so cute. Or like some kind of ashtray or an incense holder. But I'm using my cauldron, like I said. Ooh, it's brisk. And I also recommend when you are cleansing your sacred space, don't put on no Hoochie Mama music, thug music, trap music. Like, that's for another time. We're trying to uplift our spirits, and yes, that uplifts you, and I know not all people like hippie music, that's what I call it, but you do what you gotta do. That does not mean okay, shut up, Mia. Usually I put on R&B or some, not this. Oh, this is my song. It's all real. Like big on hills, big fat checks, big large bills, spun up big like 10 car wheels. Just put on good vibes music. Don't put on nothing with a lot of cursing. Like, everybody curse, but like, do not put on something with a lot of cursing, And then I light my sage, and then I walk around my room, usually in these 4 corners. There's one over here you guys can't see, one over here y'all can't see, but there's one in the back and one over there. And then I kind of just like dance and, smell my smoke. So, yeah.
Goodbyes are getting old. Next time you can go ahead and go. I'm tired of begging you to love me. Goodness gracious, you're amazing. According to you, I'm a lucky lady. So why did you lie to me? Why do I...
This was one leaf, y'all. I didn't even like this part yet. This is one leaf. Look how... See that smoke?
I'm too crazy.
like I said, I go to all four corners. That's what I just did. But if you guys didn't see or couldn't see, I went to all four corners of my room. I do it over my bed. I go in my closet. I do it the entry, like my entry door, like how you get in my room. I went over that frame, so I do the shape of the door. I also do it to my closet, the shape of the door, and then I also go in my closet. But I don't stay in my closet all the time because, I mean, for a long time, because my clothes are gonna smell like smoke, and then people are gonna think I'm gonna that I smoke, but I do smoke like this, but I don't smoke like this. Okay, so I just keep burning it until I'm done, until I'm in a better mood, and then I stop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I hope you learned how to cleanse your sacred space. Like I said, you do not have to do it with sage. You could do the same thing just with incense or whatever you use. Some people don't even like smoke, so you could do essential oils like an essential oil diffuser. You could make a spray. You could do all kinds of stuff. Or you could just open your window and let fresh air in, to be honest. So yeah, make sure, I like to do it when it's light outside. I think it just brings, you know, get that vitamin D, you feel me? So